Hello guys, today I'm gonna be playing Bone Up. And listen. 7. Well, it makes a sound, it's like a knocking. It goes like doo 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 doo. And if you want to know what the sound is, those things are what's that noise? Gregory, get it! There it is. There's aliens in here. Know what those aliens think? Know what they think? They think I'm so fucking scared of them. Oh shit, how's that up? Fucking. They think I'm so scared of them. No. I really don't give a fuck. Cause I'm gonna spray their asses. Oh shit. Oh, be fully fucking ready. Got that gun. That gun. Oh, 9. I'm fucking ready for everything. Gotta get prepared for my battle. Dude. Fucking go. Who's there? No, I'm gonna share it. Let me see. Shit, this thing's broken. I need more Gregory's. I'm scared as hell. Be honest with that, I'm scared as hell.
I should get back to my stage right away.
My main weapon. Oh.
What'd they do to you?
Bitch, shut the fuck up. My game's fucking broken. You're a bitch, I'm gonna fuck you up. Damn. Hey, bitch. Bitch, I'm talking to you. Yo.
I should get back to the stage right away.
You should. I like you. You dancing. Rest you. Oh, hell no. You just need to. I'm with
Watch out for the hook, unless you be wanting to gouge.
Are you kids ready? Let's go. You stay. Oh, hell no. She's toes the whole time. Live, right? Please tell me you're live. Please tell me you're live. Thank you, thank you. Just going from there. You go first. You're the child. I'm ready. You're not going? Oh, come here, little. I'm scared as hell too. I got a live stream.